How to remove a channel manager from YouTube. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. This only applies if your channel is connected to a brand account used for multiple managers or admins. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the YouTube app or youtube.com, then tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then from the drop down, tap on the YouTube Studio option available there and navigate to your YouTube Studio. Then, once inside the YouTube Studio, you will get to see Settings option available at the left hand side panel. Scroll down and tap on these settings. Now, once you tap on the settings, you'll get to see Permissions option available again in the left hand side. Simply tap on the permissions. Here, you will get to see your added brand account if you have any. I do not have any account linked here, so you won't see any. But if you have, then you'll get to see Manage Permissions option available there, and you'll also see the Remove the Manager option available there. And the person is immediately removed and will lose access to this channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.